I'm making a classic Christmas pudding you can steam today and reheat on the day. Gear checklist: 1L pudding basin. Gear checklist: butter. Gear checklist: parchment. Gear checklist: foil. Gear checklist: string. Gear checklist: large pot with lid. Gear checklist: trivet. Gear checklist: inverted saucer, optional. Gear checklist: kettle. In a big bowl, I add 150-gram raisins, 150-gram sultanas, 100-gram currants or extra raisins, 75-gram mixed peel, optional, 100-gram dark brown sugar, 100-gram shredded sweet or grated cold butter, 100-gram fresh breadcrumbs, 75-gram plain flour, 1 TSP baking powder, 1 TSP mixed spice, pumpkin spice works, 1/2 TSP cinnamon, zest of 1 orange, 1 small apple, peeled and grated, pinch of salt, stir to combine. Wet mix, in a jug, I whisk, 2 large eggs, 2 tbsP black treacle or molasses, 100 ml stout or apple juice, alcohol-free, 50 ml brandy or extra juice, pour wet into dry, mix until sticky and thick. Prep basin, butter it, drop in a circle of parchment on the base, spoon in batter, level it, lid, cover with pleated parchment, then pleated foil, pleat facing center. Tie tightly with string. Add a string handle. Steam. Set trivet in pot. Add boiling water to halfway up the basin. Lid on. Simmer gently 3.5 to 4 hours, topping up water as needed. Don't boil dry. Cool. Lift out. Rest 10 minutes. Remove covers. Poke holes. Spoon over 2 to 3 tbsP brandy or juice if you want. Cool completely. Mature? Optional. Wrap and store in a cool, dark place up to 6 weeks. Feed with 1 to 2 tbsP brandy weekly. Reheat to serve. Steam 1.5 to 2 hours. Turn out. Warm 2 tbsP brandy. Light carefully. Pour and flame. Serve with custard, cream, or brandy butter. Done. Classic, rich, and ready.